When it comes to advances in medical care, we owe so much to the many patients who have volunteered to be in clinical trials. Now, here to talk about their contributions, especially in the area of cancer research, Dr. Randall Holcomb from the University of Hawaii Cancer Center and Don Kobayashi, a clinical trial participant. Hello, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Doctor, why don't we start with you? For people who may not be familiar with clinical trials, can you explain what that is?
Certainly. A clinical trial is a research study where we try to find new and better treatments for patients. So for cancer clinical trials, these would involve new drugs that may be tested for individuals to find better cures for cancer, or possibly even other medications that just help to reduce the side effects of standard treatments. The important thing about clinical trials for patients with cancer is that no one ever receives less than the standard of care and may be receiving something even better.
Absolutely. I'm guessing there's probably a large part of the population that might be afraid to be in a clinical trial, but boy, the upside is huge.
I think a lot of people have concerns because they don't know about clinical trials and they think it's going to be dangerous and experimental. One of the things that we do at the University of Hawaii Cancer Center is ensure that all the clinical trials which we help to sponsor are very carefully reviewed, have very close oversight, and are as safe as possible for patients. We work through private practice offices and multiple medical systems here in the state to help provide the infrastructure for clinical trials for our patients.
And how does it help cancer patients?
Well, today's treatment was a clinical trial 5 years ago. So we really advanced the standard of care by having people participate in clinical trials. And we really owe a tremendous amount to those individuals like Dawn who have participated in clinical trials so that we gain more knowledge and we can develop better treatments.
Yes. So, Dawn, you're a cancer survivor and you participated in a UH Cancer Center clinical trial. Can you share your story with us?
Well, in 2004, I was diagnosed with stage 3 colon cancer. I had gone to the mainland to get a second opinion, and then I came back here to see my oncologist, Dr. Sumida, and in the initial, I guess, appointment, we indicated to Dr. Sumida that we were interested in participating in the clinical trial. So he said, "Oh, really? Okay, so I'll go look for one," and then lo and behold, he came back to me and said, "Oh, you qualify for this clinical trial. Do you want to participate?" And it's like, wow. But we weren't really sure what a clinical trial was. Like, we were wondering if it's safe or, you know.
And I'm sure you were pleasantly surprised to know that it was happening right here in Hawaii.
Right.
Yeah.
Because I had spoken to the doctor that we had seen on the mainland. We called him, told him about the clinical trial that was offered to me. He said, "We don't have it here, but if you have a chance to get on that trial, you should do it." So that's what I did.
It's wonderful to know that that is available here. I mentioned to you off camera, my mother-in-law actually went to Chicago to participate in a clinical trial. So to know that you're doing great work here, research here is wonderful. We're almost out of time, but you guys have a big event coming up?
We do. We have an event called Helping Enhance Research in Oncology. It's our HERO event, and it's coming up this Saturday to honor participants in clinical trials.
Okay, well, thank you both so much for being here. And Dawn, congratulations to you. That's wonderful.
Thank you.
That you are with us, and thank you for sharing your story.
Thank you.
Thank you.